solution to the fear. Welcome to Succulent Sound Garden. I'm Hannah, a freshman here at Nueva. The first song is called Party by the Wall, and it is about overcoming social fears and moving forward. I'm at a party, standing by the wall. If I were missing, would my friends notice at all? The first step away is the hardest one of all, 'cause life is like a party by the wall. But I know a solution to the fear. Let the people in the room disappear. Close your eyes and block out all the stares. Relax and know if you need help, I care. I'm on a tightrope over an abyss. My legs are shaking, and if I step, I'll miss. The first time you slip is a terrifying fall, 'cause life is like a party by the wall. But I know a solution to the fear. Let the people in the room disappear. Close your eyes and block out all the stares. Relax and know if you need help, I care. I'm at a concert, singing my own song. Will I forget the words? Will people sing along? The first note you sing is the time you make the call.